Remove the stitches of sides and inner seam of a palazzo to convert it into a straight pant. Fold front and back leg this way and keep. Measure half of the leg and plus half inch for the front leg. On the back part, mark half inch more than the front part leg. Fold the leg this way up to crochet part to get the center point of leg. Mark 1 inch more for the knee than the leg. If it is here 4 inch, then it will be 5 inch here. Repeat the same for the front leg also. Here it is 3.5. Here we will mark 4.5. Join the point of knee and bottom, and same way from the crochet to knee point. Draw smooth shape on the knee area for the front and back both. Finish side seam also. Restitch this crochet area and your straight pant will be ready. This way, flared palazzo can be converted in a straight pant.